5 Viral Amazon Finds. In 2025, cordless robotic cleaner. Experience the pool cleaning power of the Aiper Scuba S. One pool vacuum robot's powerful suction and dynamic scrubbing capabilities. A robotic pool cleaner for pool's floor, walls, and waterline. Mattress vacuum cleaner. Amzani. The most powerful vacuum cleaner. Up to 16 kilopascal suction. 200 W stable power. Easy to pick up fine dust deep in the mattress quickly. Portable mini washing machine. Portable washer with spin basket and foldable design. The body weighs only 3.5 pounds. Compact and easy to carry. Ideal for your apartment, travel, hotel, dorm, and camping. Smart door lock with handle. Featuring a secure structure design and a high security level lock cylinder, the Smart Deadbolt lock offers robust protection against unauthorized access, provides reliable home protection with the virtual password design of the keyless entry door lock. Wall-mounted folding table. This folding table consists of heavy-duty steel supports, a sturdy bottom support structure, and thickened wood board, with a weight capacity of up to 80 pounds.